Want to create alley environments? With procedural alleys, creating such a scene becomes effortless. Procedural alleys offer an easy way to create and customize your alleys in seconds. This add-on is made available by the folks at Diffuse Studios, known for their most popular add-ons such as Procedural Crowds, Breakdown Maker, Procedural Signs, and some incredible character packs for procedural crowds. Make sure to take a look at these. Alright, let's take a look at what it can do. You can create 4 types of alleys: back, curve, front, and general. Choose whichever you like. You can adjust each alley's height and width, along with the placement and amount of wall details, signs on the apartments, and for streets we have street lights, power lines, and stores to customize your urban scene just the way you like it. Back alley also comes with a nice amount of customizations, featuring back stairs, pipelines, containers, and wires intricately hanging between the closely set walls, creating a dense urban atmosphere. Just imagine how much time this add-on can save you. Curve alley features the same assets as the front alley. This option provides the flexibility to customize and shape the environment using curves according to your specific desires and requirements. And it is fully optimized. In order to reduce render times and also possible crashes, they have optimized all the textures by reducing the size to what is necessary to reach the balance between quality and performance. This add-on streamlines alley creation in Blender, giving you the ability to make alleys that perfectly fit your environmental needs. And there you have it. If you want to read more about procedural alleys, or maybe you want to take a look at their other add-ons, all the links are going to be in the description. And YouTube thinks you will like these videos of mine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content like this.